Here's a little background on three-dimensional figures and some of the vocabulary that we'll be using over the next couple lessons. So let's take this rectangular prism. And it is a three-dimensional figure, and all of these flat sides, these are called faces. Where two faces come together, where they intersect, it makes an edge. So two faces come together in an edge. And now we have a place where three edges come together. That is called a vertex. So three or more edges coming together is a vertex. We have faces, edges, vertex. Let's take this triangular prism, same thing. All of the flat sides are the faces. On this prism, the two sides that are congruent, that are right across from each other, those are called bases. So we have bases, which are faces. Where two faces come together, we have an edge. Where three or more edges come together, we have a vertex. Cylinder, not as many terms about that. We have a base, which are faces. We have an edge here, and then we have the lateral side. So that's just a little bit different. We have a cone. We have a base, and we have a vertex. We have a pyramid. We have a base, which is a face. We have the sides. Those are also faces. Where two faces come together, we have an edge, and where three or more edges come together, it is a vertex. And that is an introduction to terminology with three-dimensional figures.